Hello guys, welcome to the video for installation of Git in Windows. In this video, we will discuss how to install Git for version control system in Windows operating system. Okay, first before installation, we discuss is Git available or not in our Windows operating system. For that, press Git status in your command line or PowerShell console. Uh, if the output is like this refers Git is not installed in your system. Okay, for installing Git in your system, you need to go to your browser and type Git there. Just Git. The first link you visit is the Git website. Git is a version controlling system which is free and open source system which enables you to manage your local files and giving them a version controlling. Okay, for downloading the Git, press this button here. The download will be started automatically and the file will be downloaded. The file is nearly 50 MB, so it takes some time to download. After the completion of the download, open the and give it. This will ask you this pop-up. Give permissions or not. Press S, so you can give the permissions to the installer. Then this installer will be appeared. Okay, this is the terms and conditions policy of the Git. Just ignore and keep next. And this is the installation directory of the Git. It is defaultly installed in C and program files in a folder called Git. Click next, and also this folder exists. Would you like to this will be a random pop-up, you can use or not, it's not a problem really. Okay, type yes and check this. If you want a icon in the desktop, press this button. If you don't want any icon on the desktop, you can ignore it. Make sure these four options are checked here. Okay, then press next, and the shortcut in the it will this will create a shortcut in the start menu with the name Git. Press next and ignore same. This is ignore this as the default. Keep pressing next, and it is recommended to put the second one as it doesn't conflict with the Windows libraries. You can also choose the third one. It is not any it doesn't give any problems, but you can follow up with me. Press the second one. Okay, and use the OpenSSH library, and this is the default one if you are using Windows 10 versions or anything. If you are using Windows 10 Pro version, then this will be a good thing. Okay, for every Windows session use this, and for Windows professional versions use this one. And if you are using a Windows operating system, then the first one is the default one for you. If you are using Mac OS or Linux, the second one is the default one for you. This is the line endings file, line endings configuration. Okay, keep pressing next. The this is the this prompt is because if we put the first option, this will give you Minty. Minty is a console editor like a command prompt, but it can be customizable much more compared to the default Windows command prompt. If you use this one, the Windows command prompt will be appeared when you open the Git. In this one, the Minty will be appeared when you open the Git. Okay, keep the one and press next button, and skip all this and keep pressing next until the last one, and the extraction of the programming files will be appeared. Okay, this refers the Git is successfully installed in our system. Okay, you can unclick this one and keep going next, and successfully Git is installed in our system. To check is Git is installed in your system or not, again like this before, press Git status and click enter. Okay, the to check the if Git is installed or not in your system, you may go to terminal and or command prompt as you like, and press git status. Okay, a fatal git is not a repository of the parent direction.git. This refers git is successfully installed in your system. To access git GUI, you may right click and open git GUI here. You may right click these options. These two new options will be appeared on your menu. Click here, click git GUI to open the graphical user interface version of the git. See here, create new repository, clone and open. This will be discussed in the video. And to open the command line interface, click here git bash here. So the command line interface of the git will be opened. This is the Minty console as we selected before. As this is the exact copy of the terminal you will be seeing in the Linux, you can use the Linux commands here like cd or ls. You can use all the commands here. It's a replica of the Linux command console. Okay, thanks for watching video. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you.